Forklifts are essential in warehouses, but one mistake can cause serious injuries or even fatalities. Let's examine 4 common forklift accidents and learn how to prevent them.
Accident number 1. A forklift speeds around a blind corner and collides with a worker. Poor visibility and excessive speed create a serious hazard. Accident number 2. An unstable load falls from a forklift. Improper stacking can lead to serious injuries and property damage. Accident number 3. A sharp turn with a raised load causes a forklift tip over. Speed and improper load handling can be deadly. Accident number 4. A distracted pedestrian enters the forklift travel path. Awareness saves lives.
Hey, make sure you look up from that tablet. I'm sorry, I got distracted.
Prevent accidents by inspecting forklifts daily, wearing seat belts, using the horn at intersections, and maintaining safe speeds. Safety starts with awareness and ends with action. Follow EHS Vision for more workplace safety videos and life-saving safety tips.